It's an old school meat and macaroni casserole with bechamel. You start with the trinity, celery, pepper, and onion. And then after that sweats or kind of melts down for you with a little salt, we add our garlic. And Jess, can you throw in the herbs there?
Yeah.
I put in parsley and basil.
Beautiful.
And then Jess, like a teaspoon in the palm of your hand of the oregano, the little dry oregano. Now this is the trick with this.
It smells amazing.
It's so easy too.
The fragrance of it is
We're
great.
making kind of a two sauce, a meat sauce. Now you can add the meat for me, Jess.
Want all of it?
We're adding 1 pound of lean ground sirloin to this. We're going to add 1 small can of crushed tomato, and I add a little dash of Worcestershire. It's a meat sauce layered with a bechamel. Jessie Palmer, my co-host, is taking 1 pound of 5-minute shortcut pasta. This is just traditional elbows. So that's a meat sauce with celery, bell pepper, onion, garlic, tomato, a little Worcestershire.
Wow.
And Jess is gonna mix that all together, mix it together really well, Jess. It's got oregano, basil, and parsley, a little splash of Worcestershire. Over here, I took roux, equal amounts of flour and butter, and thickened up a milk-based sauce. I seasoned it with a little nutmeg, white pepper, salt, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. And now we're gonna finish it with a little Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay? So we're making a cheesy bechamel to put over the top of our meat and macaroni. You got it all together there, Jess?
Hey, I'm mixing it up, Rach.
All
Like you
right.
said, I mean, I'm getting in there,
All right.
elbow deep. Making a bit of a mess, but
That's okay.
All right.
Your kitchen should be a hot mess. It's fun. Give me this. Let me just smooth it out a little so we have an even opportunity for that cheese to float.
Ooh.
Okay, so once you get your meat and macaroni together, we take our white sauce and we pour that back and forth over everybody. I know, right? And then you top it with sharp cheddar, white or yellow. Getting cheesy with it. And a little parm, a little extra parm. Right?
yeah, oh yeah.
Okay, now you throw that in the oven, bro.